Welcome to my channel, Rose Beauty. The positives of a neck lift surgery, rejuvenating your confidence and appearance. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt dissatisfied with the sagging skin and wrinkles on your neck? Aging is a natural process that affects anyone and can affect your self-esteem. However, there is a solution that many individuals have found to be transformative: neck lift surgery. This video will explore the positives of this procedure and how it can restore your youthful glow, boost your confidence, and enhance your overall appearance. If you're considering a neck lift in the Gold Coast, you're in luck, as this popular cosmetic procedure is available in the area. Restoring youthful contours. One of the primary benefits of a neck lift surgery is its ability to restore youthful contours to the neck and jawline. The skin loses elasticity as you grow old, leading to sagging and the formation of vertical bands on the neck. This can make you look older and feel self-conscious. A neck lift procedure addresses these concerns by tightening the underlying muscles and removing extra skin, which results in a more defined and youthful appearance. Eliminating the double chin. This surgery also targets the dreaded double chin that accompanies aging. This cosmetic concern can significantly impact your self-confidence, making you avoid certain angles in photographs or feel insecure when meeting new people. A neck lift can effectively eliminate this unwanted feature by removing excess fat deposits and tightening the underlying muscles, giving you a more sculpted and refined jawline. Boosting self-confidence. Feeling dissatisfied with your appearance can take a toll on your self-confidence. It's no secret that when you feel good about yourself, you exude confidence, which can positively impact various aspects of your life. After undergoing surgery, many individuals report a significant boost in their self-esteem. They feel more comfortable in social situations, become less self-conscious about their appearance, and regain the confidence to pursue their dreams. Enhancing facial harmony. Your face is a masterpiece, with each feature playing an important role in creating a harmonious balance. However, aging can disrupt this balance, with a sagging neck throwing off the overall aesthetic. This kind of surgery works wonders in restoring facial harmony. By addressing the neck's appearance, the procedure complements the contours of your face, allowing all your beautiful features to shine. This enhanced facial harmony can make you feel more confident, attractive, and in sync with your unique beauty. Long-lasting results. A neck lift surgery offers long-lasting results, allowing you to enjoy the benefits for many years. While it is essential to remember that the procedure does not stop the aging process altogether, it can notably reverse the signs of aging and provide lasting improvements. By following post-operative care instructions and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can maximize the longevity of your results. Emotional well-being and quality of life. The positives of a neck lift surgery go beyond physical changes. They extend to emotional well-being and overall quality of life. When you feel good about yourself, it positively affects your mental and emotional state. Many individuals who undergo this procedure report feeling happier, more content, and more comfortable in their skin. They feel rejuvenated inside and out, which can improve relationships, professional success, and overall satisfaction with life. A neck lift surgery offers numerous positives that can transform your appearance and increase your self-confidence. By restoring youthful contours, eliminating the double chin, and enhancing facial harmony, this procedure can allow you to reclaim your youthful glow and radiate confidence. If you're considering a neck lift in the Gold Coast, you can find reputable surgeons specializing in this procedure. Consult a qualified plastic surgeon to discuss your expectations and explore the possibilities. Thank you for watching my video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel.